This is a quick video to go through doc strings and functions and how you can use it with kite. Kite is a automated coding assistant. So it guesses what you're going to enter next and gives you some options, but also shows you documentation. You can see here on screen it's displaying what you need to, or what it thinks is going to be the next sort of thing you need to enter. And you just press tab to auto-fill it. On the right hand side here, I've opened Kite up and I've just took it to the right hand side of the screen, and it auto-fills in whatever resource you're working on, or whatever function, or whatever series or object or whatever. It'll display the information about that object if it's available. So we can see here we've got a doc string which is embedded in a function, and all this function's doing is taking in the Celsius and then it's converting it to Fahrenheit. So that's what this line is doing here. It's taking the Celsius, which is this bit here, and then it's doing the calculations, and then it's returning it here. And this is the command that we're entering. So you would usually start something like this, Fahrenheit, enter 20, and it'll display on the right hand side here exactly what this function is doing and what it needs. So we're just going to put 20 in here, and you can see it's got the full documentation. So if we play that, sort of say it, but there we go. It's not actually going to do anything because we haven't told it what we wanted to do. So if we put in something like underscore temps, and then if we just print that, save and play, and you can see it's given like the Fahrenheit. So another example is if we import something like pandas, which is a data science library or data manipulation library. We import that as PD. Go down here and we can type a PD dot something common here is reading CSV. So we click on that, and we can see all the strings that we need to enter for opening a CV. Just makes coding so much easier and flows so much better. Okay, so one more example. So the other thing we can do is we can import another function. So I'm just going to pop in a pre-created one. This is a very simple function. It just multiplies A by B, and it takes in A and B. So what we're going to do is we're going to add the function strings. So I've installed a plugin that will add the function strings, so you just click on that, and then we're going to put in a description for it. So if we put in this here, and then a number and another number, and it's going to return the product, and these want to be all int. So int. Save that, and then if we type in multiplier, it automatically takes us to the description. So it's not quite updated the documentation yet, but that will be updated. And that's it. So the plugin that I use to create the doc strings is installed. Python docstring in a generator, and kite is this one here. Install both of those and you can have the same sort of setup. Thank you.